Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic spray, that is a monophasic liquid dosage form from pharmaceutics 2. Spray monophasic liquid dosage form. The topics to be covered are as follows. Introduction to monophasic liquid dosage forms. Classification of liquid dosage form and spray as a monophasic liquid dosage form. So monophasic liquid dosage forms. Monophasic liquid dosage form is a liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system. It is represented by a true solution. A true solution is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent. The component of the solution which is present in a large quantity is known as solvent, whereas the component present in a small quantity is termed as solute. The classification of liquid dosage form. It get divided into two main classes. A liquid meant for internal administration and second one is liquid meant for external administration. In case of first class liquid meant for internal administration, it again get classified into three types, which are mixture, syrups and elixirs. And second class, that is a liquid meant for external administration, it again divides into three classes. Liquid for oral cavity, which is taken by mouth, liquids instilled into body cavities, and third one, liquid applied on skin. So in case of liquid meant for external administration, first class, that is a liquid for oral cavity which is taken by mouth, are again of three types: gargles, mouthwashes and throat paints. And second, liquids instilled into body cavities, it is again divided into three types: douches, ear drops and nasal drops. And third, last one, that is liquids applied on skin, it is again of three types: sprays, liniments and lotions. So today we will discuss about sprays. Sprays, nasal sprays are used to reduce the nasal decongestion and to treat infection. The main aim of nasal spray is to retain the nasal solution in the droplet form in the nasal tract. For this purpose, the nasal solution is sprayed in the form of coarse droplets by using scent spray type of atomizer, a plastic squeeze bottle. The nasal spray should be isotonic and buffered at pH 6.2. They may contain antibiotics and antihistamines. Nasal spray example: menthol 2 gram, camphor 2 gram, thymol 2 gram, eucalyptus oil 5 ml and liquid paraffin up to 100 ml. Container: nasal spray are stored in small colored fluted glass bottles, plastic squeeze bottles. Atomizers or pressurized aerosols are most suitable for administration. Storage: nasal sprays should be stored in well-filled airtight containers. These should be protected from light. So from our today's discussion, spray monophasic liquid dosage forms, the learning outcomes are: What are monophasic liquid dosage forms? Classification of liquid dosage form and spray as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Thank you.